Yep, you guessed it. Mouthful of jelly babies. Awesome afternoon. Almost too warm from what I'm wearing, but I took the sleeves off my Castelli radiation. I've got hats and base layer on. Thermal, but it's warm now I'm stopped, but on the bike the temp's kind of pretty good with the speed I'm doing, so something to bear in mind. I mean, I could always take it off if I want, but nay bother. Anyway, I was going to share a couple of tips. So, you're out and about and you stop like I am now. So, you check your tyres for sharpies. So all you got to do is this. You spin your wheel around like so. You know, just run your glove over the top. Or finger. See if there's any flints in there or anything. Same with the rear. Might save you a bit of a headache further down the road as a sharpie works its way in. Next minute, puncture. Also, when I was coming out today, I had a really annoying noise. And if you see on my valve, you may or may not see that. I got a bit of tape because what was happening is the inertia of the wheels, if it span round at every revolution, the valve was just tick tack against the hole in the rim. I've only ever had one other noise on my bike, which I could never actually really suss. Well, I did actually suss it up in the end. It was coming from the front of the bike. Everything seemed smooth. There was nothing knocking, as what I could see. Nothing was loose, and it was wheel bearings in the front wheel. But it ran as slick as, you know. It was really buttery smooth. But nevertheless, there was a troublemaker bearing in there or something. So yeah, and yeah, when I get home, I'll just put like a little bit of silicone sealant or something around that valve, remove that tape, and all should be good. But it's just so annoying. It's really hard to track down these noises sometimes, especially when you've got the wind noise and everything on the bike. And it might only be like weight related as well, weight and chain set related. And then, you know, it could be like cleats or pedals, again, bottom bracket bearings, whatever. So yeah, check your bike over, I guess. Awesome day, man. Lovely. Look at those trees over there. Love the old trees. Be out and about more soon. Hibernation in the winter. Well, not really. I got out, done the festive 500 and that this year. Got myself out quite regular. A few weeks off here and there, but you know, better weather. Get out early. All-nighters. Oh, get out on the all-nighters. There we go. Keep on pedaling, people.